Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dyson vacuum suddenly stops working right after cleaning the filter, it can feel confusing, especially when everything seemed completely fine before maintenance. Sometimes the vacuum powers on but quickly shuts off, while other times it refuses to start at all after the filter gets washed and reinstalled. A problem like this can happen because the filter is still damp, not seated correctly, or airflow inside the vacuum still needs a quick check. Before assuming something major suddenly stopped working, there are a few simple things worth trying because many Dyson vacuum problems after filter cleaning can improve with quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a Dyson vacuum not working after cleaning the filter. Try these. Step 1. Remove the filter from the Dyson vacuum and check if it still feels damp. Step 2. Reinstall the filter inside the Dyson vacuum carefully if it feels loose. Step 3. Check airflow paths on the Dyson vacuum for dust or hidden blockages. Step 4. Confirm the Dyson vacuum battery or power source stays properly connected. Step 5. Restart the Dyson vacuum after reseating the filter and attachments. Step 6. Test the Dyson vacuum again and confirm normal suction begins returning properly.